that's a little hybe. That's a little hybe. Ooh, it's a little baby. It's just a little baby. Oh, that's a white bass. Ooh, I might keep him. Ooh, need some fish in the freezer. Need some fish in the freezer. He's a pretty little white bass. Another little white bass. Ooh, no, that little stripe. Ooh, we got the little ones here. Ain't no big ones come through yet. You never know though. Oh, getting hit on that front rod. My Lord, ain't got my pliers on my side yet. That guy's taking off out through there. Oh, Lordy. Come on, calm down. Calm down, calm down. What do you think this is? Fishing boat? All right, let's see if we can get. Another stripe. Woo! Got on a little stripe. Woo, 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 woo. We're gonna sink, we're gonna sink. All right, well, we got some action. Ain't had the baits out 10 minutes, guys. Watch them rod tips, watch them rod tips. All right, let me give this 5 more minutes. Watch them rod tips, watch them rod tips. Ooh, got me. He got me. He got me. I couldn't move quick enough. Watch them rod tips. Watch them rod tips. Oh, God almighty, it's a 10-pounder. Woo! Woo! Try that at home, folks. I'm a professional. Whew. Fish are working me to death this morning. Ain't been here 15 minutes. Watch them rod tips. Watch them rod tips. Got another one on back here. God almighty. Dang. Oh, it's a big one. Oh, I don't know if you guys noticed, but that's a kitty cat. They're all big. Kitty cat. Oh, that's a little hybe. I like a kitty cat. Maybe he's tired from back here. Back here. Oh no, that's a white bass. Back here swimming around, tugging that 2-ounce weight around, wore him out, made him feel like a catfish. Back here, he's trying to be all incognito and quiet. He knows better. You know I watch them rod tips now. He knows I watch them rod tips. Little white bass ain't gonna fool me today. Little white bass, guys, little white bass. Should have a spoon out. But you know me, I'm lazy. There's the alarm. The alarm went off, guys. Time to move. Time to move. Time to move. I gotta get me a louder alarm. Either that or turn my radio down. Look at those fish. What's wrong with that Lawrence? Why ain't that Lawrence acting right? Oh, that hummingbird doing just fine. Come on now. What's the matter with you?